good day, good morning. Welcome back to the Outlaw Garage. Look what we got here. Check it out. What do you see missing here? That's right. No hood. It's gone. I got tired. You know what? The Zl1 hood was a sick hood. It definitely set the car off. It was beautiful. It was all that. But man, I'm all about modifying. I'm all about customization. I'm all about that radical look. That I want that when you see it, that head turn and look. That look like, hey, that shit is sick. I mean, look at the front bumper. Look at that. That thing is pretty nasty, right? Stands out, right? So we are gonna have a custom hood, and I got one all picked out. A dramatic hood that's gonna match. That's just gonna complement this front bumper and make it look just amazing, sexy, disgusting, nasty, sick-witted, all that good stuff. So that's going to be in our next video. I already have the hood picked out. I'm not going to give it away yet what hood it is, but you will see, and you will, I guarantee you, you will like it because it matches everything. I mean, I've seen the hood. It's a fairly new hood, and I've seen it on cars where, you know, it doesn't, the rest of the car is kind of like stock. But this car not being stock and the way it looks right now, the hood is going to set it off like you wouldn't believe. So I'm really excited. The hood is lighter. It comes up higher. It extracts the heat. It does all the good stuff that I needed to do. So I'm real excited about that. All right, here it is. Just came off the freight. We just opened it. It was packaged really well. Check it out. Terminator GT hood. Man, look at that color. Look at that. Carbon fiber, I gotta say, I can't find a flaw in it. That thing is awesome. Go all the way around it. You can get a close up on the fins. These little, yeah, the exhaust ports. Gonna let that heat right out of there. Man, that thing is badass. That thing is sweet. That thing is sweet. And it's going on this baby. Right. Trip. Shoot, hold on. Let me go by first. Alright. The two little bolts are right there. You can hand tighten them.
Where?
Right here. Just put them in the holes first. Watch the corners.
Put it back down.
Get that other one?
I got both.
Okay. Let's see where it lands. Right on the iPhone. Get that little clip out of there. Anything that might be in its way.
Looks good. Got it?
Oh man, look at that thing! Holy Krasno! Woo! You can get a shot of it over here, Deuce. Look at it over there, man. That thing is freaking cool. Oh my gosh, man! If you zoom out, can you get that shot? All right. Okay, let's tighten it up a little bit. I can't believe, man, this thing is sick. Okay, let's lift it up. Okay. So, did yours just fall down? Did you tighten them all the way with by hand?
Yeah.
Okay, so I think this thing goes, oh, it goes right there. Okay.
Oh, that don't look safe.
No, it's this thing's supposed to like snap in. I just felt it slide.
That's because.
I know, I want to come back down and pull it forward. There, like that. Pull yours forward. Okay, now let's lift it up and then see if you can reach under just barely and give it a little tighten. Oh my God. Yeah.
Yeah, I got mine.
You just pulled up?
Yeah.
Okay, you know what? Can you get that little crescent wrench that we had? Man, I can't believe how good this thing looks. Ooh. Man, that thing is nasty. Ooh. Oh yeah. Alright, so what do you say we get this plastic off? You got the wrench? This is just so we can tighten it just real quick. Lift it up. Okay, got it? Oh, shit. I got one. I'll hold it up for you. Alright. That's left. Come on, tighten it. You're loosening it. Come on.
There goes your bullets.
Right? Okay. Why don't you go ahead and let's start over here. Right here, Deucey. Start getting this thing off. So you can see how the line. Ooh, ooh. That was static. I got shot.
That's a good wash.
Alright. Okay. Ooh. Whoa, whoa. Got some shock therapy here. What?
That's a no.
Huh?
That is a no. Just look at it.
Okay, it's looking good here. We gotta line it a little bit. But for the most part, it's lining up okay. It's lining up decent. Oh yeah. Want to pause it? Sick. There it is. The new hood. It's sick. Oops, my hand got in the way. Okay, there you have it. There's the hood. Man, I gotta say, my review on this hood, this shit is freaking nasty. It's sick. It's everything I thought it would be. I love it. I mean, look at that snout. It just takes the air in and lets that air exhaust out the sides. Man, definitely a good buy. The best. I got a good price on it. It was quite pricey, but I mean, I sold my hood for $1,000, so I only had to come out the pocket with a couple $100 for this hood. And it's lightweight. The carbon fiber is the quality of it is freaking sick. I mean, I love it. It's awesome. It's hella smooth. I was thinking about painting it. Let me know in the comments if you guys think I should paint it or not. As of right now, I mean, it's kind of growing on me. I came out of the house like a couple days after I had the hood, and it was kind of throwing me off. It was throwing me off. But then I just kept looking at it, and I was driving it around, and everyone was telling me, you know, I went to the paint shop, and I wanted them to paint it black, and they're like, what, don't paint it black? This should keep the hood exactly the way it is. That carbon fiber is sick. And then it just started growing on me. I kept looking at it and walking up to the car, and I was like, man, this is sick. So I think I'm going to keep the hood carbon fiber. Let me know. You guys, let me know what you think. If you think I should paint it black or keep it carbon fiber. My paint guys, they recommend that I keep it carbon fiber until it starts cracking or looking like shit. And right now, it does not look like shit. I mean, man, this thing is badass. I like how it's translucent. It changes color, you know? Hell yeah. Okay, so that just about does it for the Outlaw Performance Garage. Stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you then.